Do not be deceived. In the Olivet Discourse in Matthew 24, Jesus identified deception as the foremost, first, and most persistent sign of the end times, rather than wars, natural disasters, or political upheavals. To the question, what will be the sign of your coming and the end of the age? Jesus' answer was very plain and simple. Take heed that no one deceives you. Matthew 24, verse 4. And Jesus again repeated this warning 3 more times in verses 5, 11, and 24. Religious deception is listed as the number one sign of the end of the age. False prophets and messiahs will arise and they will try to do wonders and signs. Though there will be famine, pestilence, wars, and natural disasters, Jesus urged his disciples, first be wary of deception. We find deceptive prophets, false teachers, dreamers, and visionaries everywhere today, claiming new word, new revelation, and new prophecy from the Lord. Deuteronomy chapter 13 explains what to do with a prophet whose word comes to pass but is against what God has already revealed in his word. The people shall not listen to the words of these prophets. Do not support their ministries or attend their conferences or their meetings and miracle crusades. Keep away from them. It is deceptive to the core. God allows such deceivers to test his people to see if they really love God of truth or merely seeking a spiritual sign or a static experience. Remember, this is a targeted deception, attempting to deceive even believers. Do not be deceived.